Hey YouTube, this is Sean from Griffin RC Planes. Here's a quick video of the maiden flight of the turbo timber. It went pretty good. Let you guys judge it for yourself. But hey, a week ago today, I said I'll give this jet to somebody when we hit 1,000 subscribers. And I said that because I learned a little bit about the analytics, which I learned just a little bit, and there's a lot more to learn about it. But I saw this huge number, which is big to me. We're not even talking about anybody else, but to me, at the time, it was over 4,000 times my videos have been watched, and I feel like that's pretty good success for never doing this before. And then I saw a number on how many subscribed and didn't subscribe, and how many subscribed and then unsubscribed and all that. So then that got me watching it, and I said, I'll give this jet, I'll mail it to you. We hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll draw a name, we'll figure out something to make it, even and fair, and we'll figure all that out together, I promise you. And I'm also going to do something for the first 100, and that's going to be something personally from me and my collection. I'll figure out what you're working on, what you may need, and I'll hook you up. That's a fact. All right, in the last 7 days, we've had 757 views. I'll pop this up on the screen. Real quick here. We had 757 views in the past 7 days. You can see over here to the right, highlighting all that stuff. And let's see, the subscription status shows 673 are not subscribed, 84 are out of that 757. And here's our total, guys. 7 people have subscribed in the past 7 days, 2 unsubscribed, so we got a gain of 5. Hey, thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so you just saw it. 757 views. 673 were from people that are not subscribed. 84 were people that are subscribed, which thank you. And then in the last 7 days, 7 additional people had subscribed. 2 of them unsubscribed, and we gained 5, which you, the 5, love you. Hang in there. This can only get better. Go back 2 months. You know what I'm saying? So this can only get better. And so we gained 5. At this rate, this jet's going to be falling apart. The glue's going to, quit working. This will be 4 or 5 years from now. And did I mention I'm ADD? I mean, I'll give up on this crap. So, kidding. 757 views, 84 are you guys, and 673 aren't. If a third of the 673 subscribe, we can be mailing this out in 3 weeks. I say tell your friends, subscribe, get your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister. The more you got subscribed, if they're not into flying, now you just got more chances to win. Get your grandparents to sign up. The name of the game is for me to give back to YouTube and also to get subscribers. That's just how it works. I'm going to put a solid year into this. I'm guaranteeing 1 video a week. I'm putting out as many as I can right now. I've had a few days off work, and plus the more I do real quick, I'm getting better at it. I'm learning the editing. I'm learning the settings on the camera. I mean, it took 10 videos to figure out the volume. Thanks to you for telling me the volume was low in some spots. So I'm figuring all this out. And the info will only get better. I'm throwing out bits of pieces of this and pieces of that to study this analytics to figure out what people are interested in. Hey, get this. 4% of the viewers are from the country of India. So hey, you guys in India, you're awesome. And there's a couple other countries. And the age ranges for the past 7 days were like 25 to 45, and then 55 to 70. There was nothing in between. And then I go back 14 days before that, and there was every age bracket from 18 to 80. And 10% of our subscribers are females. So, hey, that's cool. You guys are flying also. Sweet. Well, hey, do this, guys and gals. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Tell all your friends. I can only get better, and that's a fact. Until next time, you'll see me here. Thank you.
Well, all right, guys. Here we are on location. This is my private, all-exclusive night flying area, aka the Kroger parking lot. After 10 p.m., you can see with all these street lights, plenty of light. I don't know the acreage here. There's probably, I don't know, 10 acres of parking lot, maybe 6, something like that. That's absolutely wide open. Not a there's 2 cars in the entire parking lot. We got this little area up here. It goes all the way around here, so you can fly a big, I don't know, a big dog leg loop. We got 10-mile-an-hour wind, so this is going to be something. But I'm here. I'm committed. Batteries are charged. Let's get it out. Showing about 11 miles an hour. Let's pull up another app here. And it sure feels gusty, that's for sure. You know, there's no leaves on the tree anymore, but maybe we see a branch blowing, or maybe you can hear the wind. Now or never. Got radio, got a plane blowing away from us already. Gonna have to hold it still while the AS3X initializes. All right. Give it a little control. Surface check. Right aileron, left aileron, elevator up, elevator down, rudder left, rudder right, flap half, flap full, flap retract, throttle cuts on, motor works. We can hear the AS3X, safe on, safe works. Let's get into our spot. Alrighty, I'm gonna make a little mix real quick. I'm gonna get the tail, or get the rudder incorporated with the ailerons a little bit. Got it set on 22%. I think that'd be good. 22%. Let's check the telemetry so we can. Well, we got ESC going off. Why do we got ESCs going off? Well, we don't have a smart battery. No data. No smart batteries. Distance, no data. There we go. We got the flight log and And the signal. Alright, that's what we should have. That's what we should have. There's that. Alright guys, now or never. She's flying, and it's windy. Hope you guys can see this. Oh yeah, definitely not the wind conditions for it, that's for sure. But it is flying. We've repaired it well. Servo's working good. Those hinges are working good. Oh, get away from that tree. Ha ha. Sweet. This is the good spot to come out. Normally, well, I say normally, I say a lot of times in the evenings, night, the wind dies down. Yeah, I've been out here at 10 o'clock at night, like it's about 10 right now, and you know, not a speck of wind. It's a great parking lot for UMXs for sure. I can't even trim it out, it's so windy, and I'm in really not that big. The area is not quite big enough to, you know, get it in a real straight line and trim it out, so we're just flying it. I got safe on, pulling to the left quite a bit. I don't dare put the flaps on. We'll get a good loop here. Oh yeah. Oh, one-wheeled it almost. Sweet.